The gate lights look like stars. I love this park already.
Same. I booked 2-night tickets on my phone. Scan here.
Beep. We are in. I can smell popcorn and sweet apples.
The map says the haunted house is on Moon Street.
Do you really want to go first? My legs feel brave and not brave.
We go slow. If it is too much, we leave. Easy plan.
Thank you. You always make steps clear.
Look at the sign. Night of Soft Frights. That sounds friendly.
Friendly ghosts, friendly screams. I can try.
We can hold hands if needed.
Needed. Also, I want hot chocolate later.
Deal. After the house, we get 2 cups and 1 donut to share.
The crowd looks happy, not wild.
I like the music too. It is low and warm.
Photo by the gate?
Later, when we come out safe and smiling.
Huh. You believe in us.
I do. Now we follow the lantern path to Moon Street. The line moves fast. The sign lists rules.
Walk slowly. Do not touch actors. No flash. Simple rules help me.
The staff gives us a small glow wristband.
It is cute and safe. If I raise my hand, a guide can help, right?
Yes. Look, the guide shows the side door.
I like that there is always a way out.
The couple in front looks nervous too.
We are not alone. That helps.
Want to practice calm breathing?
Okay. In for 4, out for 4. Better.
I will take the inside path so you keep the wall side.
Smart. Less surprise from the dark.
The door opens for 8 people at a time.
We will be in the next group.
If I squeeze your hand twice, it means, you okay?
If I squeeze back twice, it means okay.
If I squeeze once long, it means, let us slow down.
And if I laugh, it means the ghost costume is cute.
I hope many cute ghosts are inside.
First room. The floor lights are soft blue.
On the wall, there is a mirror with tiny cracks.
A sheet ghost slides by on a rail. It looks funny, not scary.
I squeezed twice. You okay?
Squeeze back twice. Okay.
The mirror room ends with a slow bell sound.
Second room smells like cinnamon. Pumpkins with smiles are on the shelves.
A book opens by itself with a magnet.
The page says, "Welcome, kind travelers." I can be kind.
Footsteps play on the speaker, but I see the tiny lights on the floor.
I follow them like stars.
A staff member in a soft cape nods and waves us forward.
My shoulders drop now. I feel brave for a minute.
You look brave and cute.
Save sweet words for hot chocolate.
Yes, Captain. Next door's the bat hallway.
Deep breath. We can do bats.
The paper bats hang on thin wire and move with the fan.
One bat drops lower than the rest. I flinch.
My hand squeezes once long. We slow down.
Thank you. I look at the floor lights again.
A hidden door thumps. That sound is new.
My heart jumps to my ears. Wait, there is a guide with a lantern.
She shows a sign. It is just sound.
I nod and breathe. We keep walking.
The fog is thicker now. I can still see the path.
I hear 2 teens laugh behind us. The laugh helps.
Photo booth ahead. The camera uses warm light only.
Let us take one quick photo to mark the brave minute.
Click. My hair's a little wild.
Wild hair fits this place.
The last room is the friendly witch kitchen.
I can do a kitchen. I know kitchens. The kitchen smells like vanilla and spice.
A big pot bubbles with soap, not heat.
The witch actor smiles and stirs. She whispers, "Hello, brave ones."
She offers a tiny paper star.
I take 2, 1 for each of us.
The wall shows simple words. You did it. Walk to the moon door.
We bow to the witch and wave.
The moon door opens to a small courtyard with pumpkins.
Fresh air feels new,
You were great in there.
only because you made clear steps and slow hands.
Teamwork wins the night.
Can we sit on that bench and rest my brave legs?
Yes, and order hot chocolate by app.
2 cups, 1 donut to share.
I will add extra napkins.
My smile is real again.
Mine too.
The hot chocolate is perfect. My hands are warm now.
The night parade starts in 5 minutes. We can watch from the bridge.
Let us walk slowly and keep the paper stars safe.
I will put them in my wallet next to the tickets.
Thank you for today. I felt scared at first, but you stayed calm.
Thank you for trying. You did more than try. You finished.
The floats look bright. I like the little moon car.
Look, the ghost band waves without sound.
Silent ghosts, warm hearts.
After the parade, one ride on the carousel,
Yes, the carousel is my speed.
then we take one photo by the gate like we planned.
With soft smiles and no wild hair,
I cannot promise the hair.
I can promise the smile.
Next time we can bring friends and lead the path like guides.
We will show them the floor lights and the hand signs,
And the donut.
especially the donut.
Good night, theme park.
Good night, brave team.